Here comes the losing team. They look so desperate. Habibi, are you ready for the challenge of your life?
I was born ready, big boy. I'll be your worst nightmare.
You'll lose. I'm much stronger than you.
Dude, you're way over your head. I'm way stronger than you. I'm not even cold.
I was a snowboarding champion back in high school.
I was the Dubai sandboarding champion last year.
Sand is not the same as snow. You have the disadvantage.
I will prove you wrong.
Habibi, enough talking. You talk too much. So, whoever crosses the finish line first wins.
Let's get it done. Losers will take the bus to go back home.
Deal.
That includes you too, Mia.
Fine by me. I trust Julio to win this.
Let's do it.
Andrew, the crowd is going wild over this championship.
Absolutely, Zara. I've never seen something like this. The Mall of Emirates just stopped to watch these two champions. It's like watching Rocky Balboa versus Apollo Creed.
I agree with you, Andrew. Even Sheikh Zayed came to watch his son.
It's going to be an epic battle.
Soon, we'll find out who the winner is.
I can feel you're scared.
The word fear is not in my vocabulary.
What are the rules?
There's only one rule. There are no rules.
Let's do this.
Khalifa and Julio are serious about this.
Khalifa should worry about Julio. Julio is very strong.
All right, guys, I'll do the countdown to start the race. On the count of 3, put on your snowboard and go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Dude, did you see what you did? You came into my path. You came straight into me. I was winning and you tried to cut me off.
You invaded my space. You must be disqualified.
You must be banned from skiing anywhere.
There's a way to settle this.
How?
A tug of war. Julio and I against you and Julie. This is how we set aside our differences.
Okay.
Bring it on. We're going to win this. Look at these biceps. You don't stand a chance.
That doesn't mean anything. Get ready to be humiliated.
It looks like there's still no winner in this battle.
This competition is going to be one for the books.
Sheikh Zayed must be really proud of his son. Are you Team Sheikh Khalifa or Team Big Boy Julio?
That's a tough question to answer. They are both legends.
We got this, Mia. They got no chance.
We will dominate this entire competition. Give me a high five.
Look at those clowns. They think they are going to win.
They seem very confident.
Julie, you listen to me. This is my hometown. We have to win.
Okay.
That's it. What is the next competition?
No more challenges, guys. Neither side won, it's a draw.
I will not accept this.
Khalifa, you have too much anger inside you. As a result, you booked an economy ticket. You need to do some therapy.
Mia is right. I can see you have deeper anger issues. You should talk to someone.
There's nothing true about that. This is absolutely ridiculous. You're using this as an excuse to run away. You know I will win.
Let's go, Mia. We still need to return these clothes. This guy is crazy.
Mia, wait! Mia, you're my bestie. We need to be friends again.
But Julie, your boyfriend gave me an economy ticket. It was really hurtful.
I can fix that. You can stay in the Palm Jumeirah house.
But Julie, that's my house.
Khalifa, be quiet. You booked her an economy ticket. I lost my friend because of you. Let me fix this. So, Mia, what do you say?
I don't know, Julie. Julio's father is a big fan of my work. He booked for me a first-class ticket.
That's right.
How about Lucinda? I think she doesn't like me.
I can talk to her. She will come around.
What about the owner's wing of the house? What if I want to stay there?
We can work something out.
But Julie, I live there.
Shh.
Don't sush me. Sorry.
So, Mia, what do you say?
I have a lot of thinking to do. I can't give you an answer right now.
I understand. Take your time.
I'll let you know. Let's go, Julio.
So, you invited her to come again.
That's right. And I don't want to hear a single complaint. Let's go, babe.
Guys, let's enjoy this delicious biryani. I like to watch some TV during lunch. Let's see what's on the sports channel. Maybe there's some good cricket highlights. It's those two girls and Khalifa on the TV.